Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel which named as IELTS Trainer. I provide you some information about how to write task 2 for IELTS exam, especially for beginners. Um, let's talk about discuss pattern of writing task 2. I show you how we can write task 2. Firstly, we have a given statement in which we started that which statement we have. After that, first we have to understand the statement what they provide us, then we start a topic with introduction in which you firstly have to give a general statement in which if you have well and accurate definition of given topic, give it, otherwise no need. Plus you should paraphrasing your statement, plus give a proper and suitable thesis statement, which is most important need of your question response. After that, we have to write body paragraphs in which you discuss questions needs, such as if you talk about discuss both views, how much you agree or disagree with your statement. It's totally dependent upon your given statement. Today's I only explain a short introduction that how we can write task 2 without any statement. So this is the simple pattern. In the body paragraphs, we have to write two body paragraphs. One is BP1 and another one is BP2. In the BP1, you should give short introduction of your reason regarding that you start to gonna write. For example, you start to write about canned food, means you have to write a topic regarding canned food. Canned food means fast food. Plus give explanation of your introductive part. After explanation, you should give example. You should give a example, and example should be properly explained. For example, if you have stable survey which is based on fact with proper details, such as in which place, on what date, and like that, some stuff. Or you can give conditional type as an example if you do not have a suitable survey which is based on proper fact. Okay, otherwise you skip the example, but not give a irrelevant or childish example, such as 1000 people dying out in India. Without any fact, you give childish examples which put negative impact on your examiner. That results your deductive your bands. So do not like that. If you have a particular example, then give it. Otherwise, no need. Okay. After that, you have to make a result of your describing point. Okay. Then let's talk about BP2. BP2 same as BP1. Okay, which you explained in BP1, that same as in BP1, but the changing thing is that the introduction of the reason means the point is changed. Otherwise all the rest of the all things such as for example, explanation, result, that are same, but the reason or point is maybe different. And last one is the conclusion. In the conclusion, you should have to restate your statement in short way, plus give reason as same you give in above paragraphs. Not add extra information in the conclusion. You should have to understand or keep in mind that you should not write extra information in your conclusion. I hope you all the students totally understand that how I want to teach you that all the things in the simple and accurate way. Thanks. If you are in on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it, that you get all the new videos on the time and get proper information regarding IELTS. Thank you.